What's the meaning of Australia Day? Australia Day. Australia Day.
Australia Day. Australia Day. Australia Day is a national public holiday in Australia that commemorates the landing of the First Fleet at Port Jackson on January 26, 1788. It is a day for celebrating Australian culture and traditions, including ceremonies that recognise outstanding citizens. However, Australia Day has also become a controversial topic due to its association with the colonisation of Indigenous land and the displacement of Aboriginal peoples. Some argue that the date should be changed to a more inclusive day that acknowledges Australia's history before European settlement.